Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change the FPS or frames per second in Krita. To change the FPS, go to your animation workspace. In the top right corner of the timeline window next to the speaker icon, look for the animation settings menu button, the one with the three lines, and click it. Here you'll find the frame rate or FPS box. Type in the number you want. For example, 12, 24, 30, or etc. to change how many frames are shown per second. After changing the FPS value, your animation's playback timing adjusts. Play back your timeline to check how the animation speed feels at the new frame rate. Remember that just changing FPS doesn't add or remove actual frames. It changes how fast those frames play. And that's how you change the FPS in Krita. Thanks for watching.